What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are taking a look this evening at XRP USD. Some more volatility coming into the markets, the cryptocurrency markets this afternoon, the 26th of April. It is Wednesday evening, 6:30 p.m. Guys, welcome to the channel. So, let's take a look here at XRP, discuss some targets based on the most recent rising wedge, which actually, broke to the downside before I could get a video out today. We hit target number one. We do have a lower target. We'll talk about support on the chart. So let's get right into this, guys. We have a confirmed downtrend for XRP, at least for the short term. So we have a higher low, which puts us still in an uptrend. Here is the lower high. That is a warning sign of a lower low with a change in trend, which took place. We have a lower low. What I was talking about the rising wedge is right here. We have a rising wedge, which put in a lower low today, guys, right here. Just like this rising wedge broke to the downside. If we zoom into the charts, so did this one. So that is a little bit of a recap, although we are experiencing some of that right now live, as today's candle did bounce off of potential support below the market. We have two targets based on this most recent rising wedge right here. We have a target at 43,630. That is where we did hit that level today, actually. 43,630, target number one. Gets us close to this high over here, the 23rd of January. Didn't quite get to that high. That is at 43,280. We also have a target number two for this rising wedge, which puts us down in here at the 41,680, guys. So that's quite a bit lower. That area does correlate with this old resistance right in here. That target, once again, is at 41,680. This pink line on the chart. So we could see some more downside action for XRP. Although we are seeing a very strong bounce, it doesn't mean we'll get down to that 41,680. But if things start to roll over again, there's a good chance that's where the market will find some buyers at that 41,680, 41 cents. If we take where we're currently trading, which is at, it looks like 45,757, puts us down another 8 to 9% lower, gets us to that 41,680. The last rising wedge, guys, we had two targets. We had a target at 47,710 as well as 44,920. The market ultimately found support at the 44,920, which was right here. Created another rising wedge, broke to the downside. Hit target number one there at 43,630. And then if we head lower like we did on the original wedge break, which was this wedge, and we hit our target number two, if we did a repeat of that, that takes us down to the 41,680. So basically we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is potentially wave number 5 right now. So this could get ugly, and like I said, this could take us down to that 41.6 area, another 8 to 9%. And if that took place and we found buyers there, buyers stepped into the market and supported the price, would make sense. There's an old area of lots of, it was resistance, got flipped into support over in here, market broke out. So if we pulled back to there and found support and rallied, would not be a surprise. That's a very high likelihood that the price would find a solid footing, but So far, we have not made it down there. We have found support at the 43,630. So we'll see if this is the last leg down, and then maybe we can get that change in trend. So we have that lower high, lower low so far. We don't know if today's the low or not. And then we're looking for that either one lower high to a higher low to a higher high. That's potentially what could take place. Or we have our lower low right now. We could get a higher high, then a higher low, and then another higher high. Either way would give us a solid change in trend. So we are going to keep our eye out. Unfortunately, I didn't get the video out before this wedge broke this evening because I would have had both of these 43,630, 41,680 targets available before the market actually tumbled, but that's the way it goes sometimes. So far, anybody who bought down there at the 43.6 level, the price has bounced roughly 5% from there. But like I said, we have a little bit of time left before today's candle closes. So far, it looks like some buyer stepped in. The market found support. So that's it, guys, for this video. We are still in this downtrend. It looks like we could potentially be on the last wave, the last leg to the downside. But until we get a nice solid close on today's candle, we start to look for either a higher high or a higher low. It's tough to tell, but right now the trend is clearly to the downside, at least for the short term. You guys let me know your thoughts down in the comments for XRP and the market. We'll be back here on a more regular schedule, getting some videos out. So far, the top 55 cents hit our upper level, found resistance 2 days in a row right there. Just like the market finds resistance at upper targets, we look for the opposite. We look for support somewhere down here at one of our levels on a major either top, like here, or a major bottom. And we don't know if this is the bottom yet, but it should come in at one of our price levels. You guys have a great evening. Hit that thumbs up. Join us here on the channel. Share this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.